Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a little fall look. I did this on my Instagram live like a few days ago, but I wanted to film it because not a lot of people were able to see it on my Instagram live. Also, I did my foundation, my base. I used the Fit Me. I did use the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline in 120 and 110. And before I applied that, I put the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. I also put on the Benefit blush in Sunny Golden Pink blush. I also put on this Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I used this Tarte Shape Tape concealer in light neutral, and I also use this Benefit Gimme Brow in shade 1. So let's get started. I'm going to be using this Morphe 35N palette. I've been using this like on a daily basis. Okay, first I'm going to dip into this shade right here, and I'm going to put that on in the crease and kind of just blend that out. And when I'm applying the shadow, I start right here. And what I like to do is wipe off the brush and get all of that, try to get most of that pigment off. And then kind of blend the outer edges of that shadow. Now we're going to go in with this color right here. We're just going to put that in the crease. We're not going to blend that above the crease where the other color is. We're just going to keep that in the crease. So I'm going to use that same brush, go into that crease, go along with your eye shape. And because I want it really, really smoky, you can use a smaller brush if you want to. But because I want it to look smoky, I'm going to take that first color that we used with the same brush, and I'm just going to sweep that under my eyes. So just like that. I want it to be really, really smoky. I'm going to go in with this purple color right here, and I'm actually going to get a smaller brush. I'm going to dip into that purple, and I'm just going to dab that on the outer corner. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and dig into this color right here. I'm actually going to use my finger. This is best to do when you don't have long ass nails. I'm going to go back with that purple color. I'm just going to dab that over that again. Not picking up too much pigment, just building it up till it's nicely blended. I'm going to dip into this Artist Couture Glow Powder in Cocoa Bling. And just a little tip, so when you are putting it on the inner corner and the brow bone, make sure you go light-handed. Make sure you go in with just a tiny brush so that you're not getting it all over and there's no fallout on your face and it's just a mess. Now I'm going to put on some NYX black liner. So I just kind of dabbed it on like below the waterline. Now I'm just going to blend it out just to make it really smoky. Alright. Next is mascara. I'm going to be using this Maybelline Big Shot mascara. Now we're going to put on some lashes. My tip, if you are a beginner, you should use some lashes like these. They're really thin, they're really natural looking. These I did mention in my video before. These are local beauty store lashes for like $2. If you don't know how to put on lashes, this is probably the best way. Kind of work your way up to wearing big, fluffy, bold lashes. What you want to do, these are already cut, but I'm just going to show you how to cut them. You get the lash, And you normally when you first buy them and take them off, there is this sticky coating on the top, which kind of helps when you're placing it on the eye. And make sure you do it before you put on eyeshadow. Don't do it after you put on eyeshadow because you might get them all dirty and might mess up the eyeshadow and whatever, blah blah. So set them on your eye like this, the inner corner being in the inner corner, like that, and then kind of place the eyelash. It's not going to be going all the way over here. You kind of want to give it some space. The longer ones start like right here. So you want that inner corner to match up right there. So match the inner corner up right there. And match the end up with the outer corner of your eye right there. And then normally it would be like pretty long. So you'd grab it on the outer corner where you would want to cut it. Hold it with your finger. Get some small scissors like this and just cut off how much you would want cut off. Now my suggestion is to cut off a little bit at a time if you're not sure, just so you don't cut off too much. The good thing about cheaper lashes when you're a beginner is that if you do mess up, whatever, you spent $2, whatever, it's $2 down the drain. The glue that I use is the Duo glue, and this is in clear. I think it's best to use clear lash glue when you're beginning. Don't use the black lash glue. Now, you just want to set it, close your eye, set it on the lash line, put the corner in first. Then I think it's easier to do it with my finger. If you don't have acrylics on, it's kind of easy to do with your fingers. Just try to get it as close to your lash line as possible. Alright, now I'm gonna go put the other one on, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm done now, and I also put on some lips. I put on this Kylie liquid lipstick in Bare, and this Morphe lip gloss in Boho. And in the look that I did a couple days ago, I did use a black lipstick, so if you want to make this more grungy, definitely looks good with a black lipstick with a little bit of highlight or a little bit of the red shadow dabbed on top of that. This is the final look. I'm out of breath. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you on the next video.